Welcome everybody to biology class with your host, Mrs. Barron, and your co-host, Mrs. Forsyth. Dun, 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 dun.
I like to call myself an assistant.
Mm, I'm actually the assistant.
Okay, let's get started.
Okay, so today we're going to review for Unit 5, which I think it's a pretty good, thorough review. And then after that, tomorrow, you get to take your test. And if you don't do well on your test or you do not do your test, guess what? You will be required to come to a class connected on Friday. How many questions? I think there are about 80, 80, something like that. Just kidding. Like about 20. Okay? No, I'm kidding, 20. Okay. I got them good. Yeah, Unit 5. So, I feel like a lot of you are struggling with mitosis versus cell differentiation. Guess what? We're actually going to discuss that today. And there's a few who need help with role of DNA, passing on traits, and genetic variation. But definitely mitosis versus cell differentiation. We will discuss that today. So, we're going to go over the role of DNA, passing on traits. You want to do this? Go for it.
I just know you don't like to do it. Remember, these are the...
I just want to eat more chicken.
Okay, I'm eating pizza, so we're good. Okay, so we got the 4 topics we talked about through this unit. So we have the role of DNA, what's its purpose in our body, how do our traits get passed on from one generation to the next, what's the difference between cell differentiation and mitosis, and then how do we end up with so much genetic variation. So these are our 4 topics. 4 topics that we're going to go in depth on today. So just like we've done every other class review when we do review for a test, I'm going to put a list of questions up in a second here. And I want you to read through those. There's 10 of them today. So read through the 10 questions on your own. And then send us a number. You can put it in the chat or you can send us a private chat, however, whatever one you're more comfortable with, as to how confident you are in knowing the answers to those questions, okay? So here are the 10 questions. Boop, right there. Yes, exactly, Kevin. You're on it. Those 4 topics were on the assignment from Monday. So if you came on Monday, we did review on Monday too. Okay? So read through all 10 of these and then tell me a number out of 10 as to how confident you are. I love it. Okay, so let's look at each of these in depth today. How are we going to do that? We are going to do that through a series of activities. Dun, dun, dun. I just had to sing because you just said dun, 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 dun. Okay, my turn. Thank you. Oh, excellent. Okay. My turn.
Fine.
Okay, guys, here's what we want you to do. Ready? We're doing
I'm
an
gonna get
activity.
some chocolate. Just kidding.
Oh, my God.
I'm just
Okay.
kidding. I'm here.
You just gave everybody whiteboard privileges. So what I want you to do, very simply, is along this line in the middle, and I'm going to do an example so you guys know what I'm talking about. Okay, along this line that goes right down the middle, just write your name along that line. And if you end up writing over someone, just after you're done, move it. Don't delete anybody's name. Okay? So I'm going to give you 20 seconds to get your name along that line, somewhere along the line. About cell differentiation or mitosis. Okay? That's okay. You can you don't have to be perfectly on line, like you don't be a little bit to the right, a little bit to the left, doesn't really matter. It's not politics here, okay? You could be somewhere along the middle, okay? And then when I read the statement, you're going to drag your name with which one it agrees, or which one it's talking about. Is my statement talking about cell differentiation, or is my statement talking about mitosis? Okay? You ready? Looks like we got a lot of people on there. I love it. Oh, it's making me happy. Okay. Are you ready? So first, let's wait for Ms. Barron to come back. I wanna go check out the zombie room too. Hopefully none of you get put into the zombie room. Also, we're gonna start doing this regularly, and if you go away for too long, like James Phelps, if you're away for too long, you will get thrown in there. James Phelps, are you away still? If you're not. Yeah, if you go away for like more than just to go to the bathroom or go heat up your pizza, then you're going to be thrown into the zombie room, and you don't get to come back until you show me signs of life. All right, all right, all right. Nathaniel, what's up? What's up? Somebody made a
Oh my
giant
gosh.
Xbox.
That room is so awesome. I love it. Okay.
You guys should be doing small ones because it's going to be hard to move it. So this is this. Sean, yours is really big. I'm making it smaller. Why is it being weird? There's Sean. Whoop, whoop.
Why do I have to go through all these names and see who's there now?
No, it's fine. Okay, ready? Here we go. First statement. First statement is, this process produces 2 identical daughter cells. Please know your name to the process that agrees with. Ready? Don't tell me in the chat. Don't tell me in the chat. This process produces 2 identical daughter cells.
And remember, you don't have to be a follower and follow what everybody is saying. They
Somebody
could
moved
be
my name.
wrong.
Somebody moved my name. Was it Miss Barron?
No.
Oh,
I just did right now, though.
oh Miles. Okay, ready? Jade and Carla and Nelson, are you guys here? Jade, Carla, Nelson, are you here? Because you're still on that line.
Zombie room. Where are they? Oh my gosh, it's going to be so much fun.
Carla said she can't move her name. There, Carla, I just moved it for you. Now you should be able to move it.
Jade, are you there? You have 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Zombie room.
Okay. Stem cells are used to create unique body parts, organs, or tissues. Stem cells are used to produce unique body parts, organs, or tissues. Yeah, sometimes if someone else is on top of yours, it might take a second to move. Just give it a second. Oh, it looks like we're doing pretty well. There's still some people along the middle line. Okay, looks like we moved. All right, correct answer is cell differentiation. Yay! But I want you to know about these 2 different processes. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Whoop, there you go. You might want to take a screenshot of this information, okay? Because I guarantee this will be something covered on your test on Thursday, which is tomorrow. Okay? Any questions?
So should I memorize the difference between both of them?
I think that would be a good idea. I mean, if you know what they are, then you probably don't have to memorize it.
Ooh, Jared, that's a question for another time.
Oh, concept map. You can watch the recording from Monday. We did the concept map on Monday. All right. I do want to mention that, again, if you are saying you are not going to pass this test, you're very concerned, how should you pass it? Mrs. Aaron, do you have any ideas of how we could pass the test tomorrow if you're here today?
Yeah, definitely take notes or print these slides, study. Talk to your dog about them. I mean, I always talk to everybody about what I was learning, and it helped me stick in my head. Is that how you say it? Stick in my head? Se me pegaba en la cabeza.
Okay,
Something like
good.
that.
So in other words, use your notes on your test. I think that's what you were getting to. Yes? Jared, stop raising your hand. We saw it to you. After make ice cream. Ooh, that's a brilliant idea too. Or donuts. You guys know I love my donuts. All right, Ms. Barron, go ahead.
Okay, so
Mutations, excuse me. So remember, inherited, what does that word mean? It means it's passed down. So what's a way that we can get an inherited trait? We can get it from your, I'll open up the slides in a minute. We got to move on. It can come from your mom and dad, or it can happen during what? During what process? Yes, okay. Oops, I spelled that wrong. Meiosis. There we go. Okay, so inherited traits come from your mom and dad or happen during meiosis. Acquired mutations, these are going to be coming from the environment. Okay, what's an example of an acquired mutation, or rather a mutagen? What's going to cause an acquired mutation? Yes, good. Sunburn, ultraviolet rays. Oh, that was Miss Barron. Okay, so let's do it real quickly. Ready? Just put I or A. Red hair. It's a single base mutation. Is this inherited or acquired? I or A? I or A? I or A? Yay! Inherited. Woohoo! How about this one? Extra skin on a Shar-Pei dog comes from an extra switch of Has2 protein. Inherited or acquired? I or A? Oh, I like the eye pictures too. Yay! How about this one? UV radiation increasing the amount of melanin production leading to skin cancer. Ms. Barron is typing it up first. Oh, cheater. Okay. Now tell me really quickly in the chat, what's happening in this picture? We go from here to here to here. What's the process called? Oh my gosh, my chat just like froze. That was super weird. Yes, crossing over. Okay, when does this occur? When is this going to occur within your cell cycle? Why isn't chat not scrolling? What is going on? Meiosis, yes, happens during meiosis, during metaphase 1. Okay, I'm going to put M1. Hopefully you guys know what that means. And what does this result in? It leads to what within the species? GV. What does GV stand for? Tell me in the chat. What does it happen? What happens in the chat? Genetic variation! Woo! Yeah. Okay. Okay, now give me a score. Oh, we're already 1 minute over. I'm so sorry. How are you guys feeling right now? If you are below a 7, come back to the 2 p.m. class. Otherwise, letting you know right now, steady. Tomorrow's your test. It'll open tonight at midnight. Have a great day. We love you guys. Bye.
Bye.